Start your day. Right, fuel your body with the power of breakfast. Breakfast is truly the most important meal of the day. It's not just a saying, it's backed by science and nutrition experts. It kickstarts your metabolism and provides the energy you need to power through your morning. Imagine your body as a car. Breakfast is the fuel that gets your engine running smoothly. Skipping breakfast can leave you feeling sluggish and tired. Without that initial boost, you might find it hard to concentrate and stay focused. When you eat breakfast, your body gets the fuel it needs after a long night of fasting. This meal replenishes your glucose supply, which is essential for brain function. This helps stabilize blood sugar levels, providing a steady stream of energy to your brain and muscles. A balanced breakfast can include whole grains, protein, and healthy fats. Starting your day with a nutritious breakfast sets the tone for healthier choices throughout the day. It can curb your appetite and reduce cravings for unhealthy snacks. It can help you maintain a healthy weight, improve your concentration, and boost your overall mood. So, take a moment each morning to enjoy a nutritious breakfast and set yourself up for a successful day ahead. Oatmeal, the energy champion of whole grains. Oatmeal is a fantastic breakfast choice for sustained energy. Starting your day with a bowl of oatmeal can set the tone for a productive and energetic day. It's a powerhouse of complex carbohydrates which are digested slowly, providing a gradual release of energy. This means you won't experience the sudden spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels that come with more refined breakfast options. Oats are also a good source of fiber, which aids digestion and helps you feel fuller for longer, preventing those mid-morning energy crashes. The fiber content in oats is particularly beneficial for maintaining a healthy digestive system. The soluble fiber in oatmeal, called beta-glucan, has been shown to lower cholesterol levels and improve heart health. This makes oatmeal not just a great energy source, but also a heart-friendly food. A study published in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition found that eating oatmeal for breakfast resulted in greater feelings of fullness and reduced hunger compared to a breakfast of ready-to-eat cereal. This is significant for those looking to manage their weight or reduce their calorie intake. This effect can be attributed to the high fiber content and low glycemic index of oatmeal. The low glycemic index ensures that the energy from oatmeal is released slowly, keeping you fueled and satisfied for longer periods. Additionally, oatmeal is incredibly versatile. You can customize it with a variety of toppings like fruits, nuts, seeds, and even spices to keep your breakfast exciting and nutritious. Whether you prefer it sweet or savory, oatmeal can be tailored to suit your taste preferences. From traditional hot oatmeal to overnight oats and baked oatmeal squares, there are countless ways to enjoy this wholesome grain. Each method offers its own unique texture and flavor, ensuring that you never get bored of this breakfast staple. So, the next time you're planning your breakfast, consider reaching for a bowl of oatmeal. It's not just a meal, it's a step towards a healthier, more energetic you. Eggs protein powerhouse for a long-lasting energy boost. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse packed with protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. They're an excellent source of choline, a nutrient essential for brain health and energy production. The protein in eggs helps you feel full and satisfied, preventing energy slumps throughout the morning. Eggs also contain all 9 essential amino acids, which are the building blocks of protein, making them a complete protein source. A study published in the International Journal of Obesity found that people who ate eggs for breakfast consumed fewer calories throughout the day compared to those who ate a bagel-based breakfast with the same calorie count. Greek yogurt, a protein-packed breakfast for sustained energy. Greek yogurt is a delicious and versatile breakfast option that provides a hefty dose of protein, keeping you feeling energized throughout the morning. It's also a good source of calcium, which is essential for strong bones. Choose plain Greek yogurt to avoid added sugars and pair it with your favorite fruits, nuts, or granola for added flavor and nutrients. The probiotics in yogurt support gut health, which can indirectly impact energy levels. A study published in the journal Appetite found that consuming Greek yogurt as a snack resulted in greater feelings of fullness and reduced subsequent calorie intake compared to consuming less protein-rich snacks. Section 5. Fruits, nature's candy packed with vitamins and fiber. Fruits are a delicious and refreshing way to start your day, providing a natural boost of energy from carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, are packed with antioxidants. which protect your cells from damage and contribute to overall well-being. Bananas are a good source of potassium, an electrolyte that helps maintain energy balance in the body. The fiber in fruits helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing sugar spikes and crashes that can leave you feeling drained. Aim to include a variety of colorful fruits in your breakfast for a wider range of nutrients. Section 6. Nuts and seeds, small but mighty sources of energy and nutrients. Nuts and seeds are often overlooked, but they pack a powerful punch when it comes to nutrition. Nuts and seeds are packed with healthy fats, protein, fiber, and essential nutrients, making them a fantastic addition to your breakfast routine for sustained energy. They can be easily incorporated into various meals, from breakfast bowls to salads and even baked goods. Almonds are a good source of magnesium, a mineral involved in energy production. Magnesium also plays a crucial role in muscle function and bone health, making almonds a great snack for active individuals. Walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for brain health and cognitive function. These healthy fats can help reduce inflammation and support heart health, making walnuts a smart choice for overall wellness. Chia seeds and flax seeds are excellent sources of fiber, which helps regulate digestion and promotes satiety. The high fiber content in these seeds can aid in weight management by keeping you feeling full longer. A study published in the journal Nutrients found that consuming a handful of almonds daily improved blood sugar control and reduced markers of oxidative stress in individuals with type 2 diabetes. This highlights the potential of almonds to support metabolic health. This suggests that nuts can play a role in maintaining stable energy levels. Including a variety of nuts and seeds in your diet can provide a wide range of nutrients that support overall health and well-being. So next time you're looking for a quick snack, reach for a handful of these small but mighty powerhouses. Section 7. Water, the elixir of life, essential for optimal energy levels. Don't underestimate the importance of staying hydrated. Water is essential for countless bodily functions, including energy production and transportation of nutrients. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, and difficulty concentrating. Start your day by drinking a large glass of water upon waking up to rehydrate your body after a night's sleep. Carry a reusable water bottle with you throughout the day and sip on water regularly, especially before, during, and after exercise. The amount of water you need daily can vary depending on your activity level, climate, and overall health. Section 8. Practical tips to incorporate these energy-boosting foods. 1. Prepare breakfast the night before. Overnight oats or chia pudding are convenient options that can be made ahead of time. 2. Keep hard-boiled eggs on hand. They make a quick and easy breakfast or snack on the go. 3. Stock up on frozen fruits and vegetables. They're just as nutritious as fresh produce and can be added to smoothies or oatmeal. 4. Make a breakfast burrito bar. Prepare a variety of fillings such as scrambled eggs, beans, cheese, and vegetables, and let everyone assemble their own burritos. Section 9. Conclusion. Unlock your morning energy potential. Choosing the right breakfast foods can make a world of difference in your energy levels throughout the day. By incorporating these nutrient-rich options into your morning routine, you can fuel your body and mind for optimal performance. Remember that breakfast is just one piece of the energy puzzle. Getting enough sleep, managing stress levels, and engaging in regular physical activity are also crucial for maintaining consistent energy throughout the day. Section 10. Call to action. Join the healthy breakfast movement. Start your day strong and share your energy-boosting breakfast creations with the world. Share this article with your friends and family and inspire them to prioritize a nutritious breakfast for a healthier and more energetic life. Let's spread the word about the power of breakfast. Like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest health and nutrition tips.